Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the DiDi app on iPhone. Firstly, to do so, open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, go to the search icon which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the search box which is located on the top of your screen. Type in DiDi and tap on search. Then you can see the DiDi app. Tap on the DiDi app. Then tap on the Get icon to install the app. While the app gets downloaded, I'd like to tell you more about this app. The DiDi Rider app, also known simply as DiDi, is a popular Chinese transportation platform that offers various ride-hailing services, including taxis, private cars, and other forms of transportation. Overall, the DiDi Rider app has revolutionized the way people in China and other parts of the world access transportation services, providing a convenient, reliable, and efficient means of getting around urban areas. Once the app gets downloaded completely, tap on Open. This is how you can easily download and install the DiDi app on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.